little dual video. Working on this ghost drive pedal from Stuart McDonald, which comes with great directions. And I was using my magnifying glasses to verify the resistors, but there's this Pokit Pro all-in-one multimeter, oscilloscope, and logger. I got this through Kickstarter and they're out. This is it. The cord wraps around. Stays inside nice and neat. You can change your modes. You can measure resistance, diodes, capacitance, all those sort of things. So I'm on resistance right now. There is a switch if you want to change the voltage and amperage. So for instance, you can see this resistor here, 0.56K. So that's my 560K resistor. I have two. $1K, I have two. Anyways, this is the 1.5K resistor at 2. This is the 1.8K. And the 2K resistor. Another cool little thing. Here's a 500K CTS pot. Just move that out of the way. And you can see the sweep. So if you had pots and you couldn't tell what they were, see, I get a nice even sweep coming up out of that. It's an interesting little thing to be able to look at. Additionally, a little capacitor. Change to capacitor. Right now it's set to microfarads. Sorry, I had to get the polarity right. Negative on the shorter. So 4.5 microfarad. Remember, whenever you're dealing with these, if there is a polarity, the shorter one is always a negative, and there's usually some arrows that you can see right there that also indicate the negative. Anyways, I'm going to continue on with my pedal build, but thought this would be an interesting time to show this little Pokit Pro. Very interesting little device, and the oscilloscope features of it I'll get into later. Thanks for watching.